how to make easy and simple 3D crypto logos in Illustrator. Yes, Illustrator, very easy and simple. Let's get the system. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is where to get your crypto logos. This is a simple website, cryptologos.cc. I am not affiliated to this website. I just use it for the sake of the tutorial. So because we need our logos in vector format, it's very important that we get the logos in vector format. So here you can go to the website, get your crypto logos in vector format, download them to your system, import them to Illustrator. So here we're in Illustrator and look at what we're going to be trying to create. As you can see, they are all 3D logos and usable in any formats that you want to use them. This is to show you guys what we're trying to do. So right here we have the three logos we're going to try to create. We will recreate it with these three vector logos. These are vectors. This is why I said you should download the logos from cryptologo.cc, because they give you vector logos, or any other website that you can get vector logos from. So okay, so first thing we're going to do here now is we'll make an eclipse. That's the second. For this first one, that's the avalanche logo. I'm going to color pick the red. So now I'm going to get the main logo part, copy it and paste it on the new circle that we're trying to create. I'm going to group it so that it doesn't fall apart. Now increase the size a little bit more and then try to centralize it, making sure it's balanced properly. Okay, then I'm going to group two of them, and the next thing I'm going to do is you go to Windows, and what we're looking for is 3D and material tab. So once we get to 3D and material tab here, we are going to click on our logo and press extrude. So now we see it's very simple extrude, but we're not going to stop here. We're going to tweak some things here to just to make it look more presentable. Now this is typically what I do. I try to reduce the depth, making it around 30 to 40. Let's use 40 pixel. And then we're going to come to bevel. And what I normally do is I select square outline. You can try out other forms of the bevel shape and to get better results. Now I'm going to try and make this the width 30, and then let's say the height 20. I can also increase these values a little bit more, just to, you see what's happening here, just to get some curves and edges, making it not look so boring. Okay, so this is quite simple. Now we have our 3D logo, which we can use in any form. Like here, we can use in our design, put in your text and reshape your crypto logo. That's the same thing goes with this Bitcoin logo. If I just duplicate this and let's try and extrude this and make it 3D. Okay, very simple. And then come to bevel, as usual, square outline. Let's reduce the width to some extent and also the height too. You can experiment and find out what works best for you. That's it. Now there's a reason I added this Tron logo. You see here now, we're having an empty, the main logo part, we're having it is looking empty. So a very simple thing that we're going to do, we're going to go use the shape builder tool. If you use the shape builder tool here, if we select the logo, use the shape builder tool, now we can actually fill in this part. Once we fill in this part, we select it and make it white. Now we have our logo complete. We can now extrude normally and get what we want. Okay, 20, and then bevel square outline. Well, as you can see, same thing, same process, very simple in all of them. You can experiment with these and find out the values that actually work better for you or what you prefer. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it to your friends. Okay, see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.